Hi guys, this is Zakera and in today's video, I am sharing how to create a clean girl makeup look. This look is trending everywhere right now and it is so easy to create and can be worn every day. So let's get started. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Illuminating Glow Primer. This will help the makeup last longer and it also makes the base look glowy. If you have dry skin, you're going to love this primer. I find it quite similar to the MAC Strobe Cream. It gives the same kind of glow and primes the skin in the same way that MAC Strobe Cream does. So it's quite similar to that. Moving on, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. And I use it under my eyes directly on places which are dark and spot conceal, basically only some blemishes, acne spots, and blending it using the Europe Girl brush number 16. I'll be leaving the link of all the brushes and the products I used in the description so you guys can check it out. This is a fluffy brush, so it really helps to blend out the concealer, and it's also tiny, so it helps in spot concealing, which we are going for this look. Moving on, I'm using a BB cream. This is a full coverage BB cream, so I'm going to use it very little. I'm using Mars Cosmetics BB cream and I'm using the brush from Europe Girl and it is brush number 45. As I said, it's a full coverage BB cream, so a little goes a long way. I'm just dotting it all over the place and then blending it using the brush. It gives a very even tone complexion to the face and it's also very lightweight, so you don't feel like you're wearing too much of makeup. Also swiping the brush on my lids, because whatever product is left on the brush can go on the lid and it doesn't look empty. And then I'm also not forgetting my neck. We need to use the BB cream on our neck as well. And then moving on, I'm going to give some dimension to my face, and for that I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics contour stick in fawn first, and I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones, under my jawline and on my forehead. I'm using the same brush that I used to blend the BB cream to blend this, and of course this shade is not my exact contour shade, it's more like a bronzer, but for this look I am only warming up my skin and not going for that full contoured look, so this color would work. In my opinion, the key to clean girl makeup look is to use less product and build the intensity as per your preference or liking, and blend to make everything look very seamless. Now, because the weather I live in is hot and humid, I have to set my under eyes and lightly set my face as well. But if you live in a cold and dry place, you can skip the powder. I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC25 and I'm using the brush from Europe Girl EG33. Moving on, to add some color to my face, I'm using the Kiro Beauty Glow On Blush Duo and using the pink coral shade with the same powder brush that I used just over the bronzer. To highlight, I'm using my favorite highlighter. It is the Sugar Jelly Highlighter in Peach Pioneer, and using my fingers to dab the product on the highest point of my face. You can see it gives a very natural glow. It makes your skin look like it's glowing from within. I'm also going to use the same highlighter on the bridge of my nose and chin as well. I find this highlighter is very similar to the MAC Soft and Gentle powder on the skin, but the texture is very different. Moving on to the brows, I'm going to define my brows using the MAC Eyebrow Styler in Spiked. I'm going to follow my natural brow shape and I'm just going to fill in my brow. Finishing the look using Fix Plus from MAC to set the makeup in place. Hold the spray away from the face so that the mist fall on the face and not the drops. And this is the final look. Super wearable daytime look which will not take a lot of time yet make you look clean and polished. As the name says, clean girl makeup. And with that said, we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below what do you think about this look if you are going to try it. And with that said, as always, I'll see you with the next one. Bye.
Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to